this is part unboxing, part putting together. Because after this video, I'm going to be putting it on the bike. What is this? It's I don't know. I don't even know who makes it. It's some company that sells plastic gas tanks for three-wheelers. I don't know. Came from Pennsylvania. So, we're going to open it up. What do we got here? One 250 big red plastic and a bag of stuff. Hopefully there's instructions. Hopefully there's instructions how to put the, what's it called, a petcock? Peacock? I know it's not a peacock. Those are birds. So yeah, there's a couple of funny things that need to go on here. So, let me show you. Remember last time I cut a hole through like that? I literally cut everything in the bag. So I gotta be careful. I have a tendency to destroy stuff. Alrighty. Hose sucks. What's going on here? Wrong bag. Ooh, there we go. We have hose. We have a bag of stuff. Some more stuff. And a filter. Okay. So yeah, that's no good. That over there. Oh, I missed it. Now, is there instructions? Nope. There's no instructions. WTF. How does this work? Let's figure this out then. I gotta figure this out. Well, I guess this goes here. That's a safe bet. I will assume that grommet goes in there. This goes in the corner, because that's for the little pluggy thing. How the hell you get that in there? It's beyond me. Oh my god, what the hell? I don't know, push it in there. Get in there. Get in there. That's for the side pieces. Get in there. Come on. Get in there. Holy schmoly. Come on, get in there. Maybe it's better with butter. Some lubrication might work. It's that old saying, always use lube. Come on, get in there. It's coming. Does anybody else online know how to do this? Come on, get in there. Sure, there's an easier way. I don't want to put any kind of oil on there. At least not that I don't want to wreck it. Come on, get in there. Shit. Trash in there. Well, anyway, that goes on the side. Clearly it's oozing its way out slowly. Maybe I can get tweezers or something. Tweeze it out. Come on. Oh, come on. I don't want to rip it either. Clearly you got to fight for your right to party here. Let's see. There must be something I can use to just pull on this thing. I'm not gonna pull it hard, I'm just gonna... Shit. Come on. man. Get in there. Come on. Get in there. Not much to see here. All right. Oh, look at that. That side and that side. Anyway, I'll skip the other side for now. There's where does this go? I would assume there's bolt holes in here for a reason. I'm willing to assume that that goes in here, like so. That goes in there, and that goes in there after. It's in here. So, is there some kind of rubber? Okay, there's a rubber seal that goes in there too. Aha, there we go. That one. That one wears rubber too. There's a little, anybody's doing this, there's a little rubber seal on there. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Don't ask me what I'm doing here. This goes on here. Gonna need a big screwdriver. A big screwy. Where's there an extra? Let me go get I think I have a screwdriver in here. Let's see. Which one is that? No, it's not that. Screwdriver. Phillips. Screwdriver would be nice. That's a flathead. What do you do with my Phillips screwdriver? Maybe a flathead will work. There we go. Just to get it on there. So that goes like that. That goes like that. What incarnation is this? Dude. Does this go on here? Unless this is to hold it down? Maybe. I don't know. That's for that piece. There's two screws that go here. Yeah, maybe it's an extra support. I'll put these on here for now. Because clearly it goes in there. The petcock. Is that what it's called? Peacock. That goes in there somehow. Come on. Did I not line up the hole? Holy camolers. That's why. It does have a little bit of adjustment to it. I'm guessing you need to put this come on. Weird. Maybe, just maybe, I'll loosen it up even more. Weird. Maybe not. Okay. Maybe. It needs a little bit of TLC. Where's that thing now? Where is it? I have a gadget in here. Where is it? Where's that gadget? Here we go. fit in there? Okay, it does fit in there. That fits in there. What a pain in the caboodles. Not even sure if you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's there. Let's move this over here. I mean, it's not that complicated if you think about it. This is not that complicated. Hardest part is this little knobby jobby here. This can go in there. Fuel on, fuel off. Need a wrench. Get myself one of these. This is a Peck, Stowe, and Wilcox. Yeah, folks, I bought another one. Will this work? Will it work? Oh, it's like a millimeter too short. Well. We'll just have to get a different one. Alrighty, let's go. One of these suckers. I gotta hold this so it doesn't bend. Come on. I don't know if you can see that. I'm guessing when I get closer, this will tell me it's too tight or tight enough. Yeah. I don't know how tight this is supposed to be. Guessing it's tight enough. We have one of these suckers. Okay. We are almost ready. Not really sure what the hell that's for. I'm going to go hit the bike. And I'm assuming that goes on there. It's got to be to help hold it down. I'm going to put this side in and I'll be right back. Well, folks, there wasn't much exciting going on here. This thing was supposed to go in there, but one thing I noticed was the hose difference was a little bit different, so I had to put this hose on here and then put the hose over the top. Don't ask me if that's safe or what, but no idea. That went on there, and then I put this on here because I'm guessing that's the breather. So yeah, I'm gonna put a hose clamp on there. This hose is about 100 years old and doesn't want to move. I basically just put it over it, stuffed it together, and something in me thinks it's not going to come out, but I'm probably wrong. So I'm going to put this seat back on. Then I'm going to I'm going to put the seat back on, dump some gas in it, and see how she goes. Oops. It's an old bike. Let's see. I hear lots of... Come on. Hold on a second. Well, I guess I learned one thing. The reason why a lot of these plastic tanks suck is because this doesn't really match up in the hole there. Two back ones are fine. Seat matches up okay. I mean, overall looks good. I mean, it's not that one, but that one's going to get sent out to be fixed. I noticed it's got a dent on the side too. Oh well. So anyway, this is my toy. That's not my train. I'm gonna test this out, put some gas in it, and see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks, train. Yeah.